Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Facebook Messenger for Android, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Facebook Messenger for Android, start by unlocking your Android device. Locate and open the Google Play Store app on your home screen. In the Play Store, find the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on the search bar and type Facebook Messenger. Press the search icon or hit enter on your keyboard. From the search results, identify the Facebook Messenger app. It will be displayed with the official Messenger logo and developer information. Tap on the Facebook Messenger app to open its page. On the app page, you will see an install button. Tap on the install button to begin the download process. The download will take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the app finishes downloading, it will automatically install on your device. After installation, you will see an Open button. Tap on Open to launch Facebook Messenger. Alternatively, you can find the app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Upon opening the app, you will need to log in with your Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook account, follow the prompts to create a new one. Once logged in, you are all set to start using Facebook Messenger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.